Hi there, we're Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, Colorado's largest appliance retailer. This is Colorado. We love where we live and like to have fun. We sell and deliver mattresses and appliances.
Lots and lots of appliances.
Join us in a recession-proof industry, recognized as one of the top 10 career paths without a college degree. We have highly skilled salespeople.
KitchenAid refrigerator, normally $46.99, save $1,200.
So Cow King isn't this giant mattress you're actually losing 4 inches.
We also have highly skilled warehouse workers. We like saving people money and finding them great deals,
Amazing rebate.
along with having exceptional customer service.
Yep, absolutely. Get you taken care of.
The only thing we're missing is you. If you're looking for an opportunity to learn new skills in a recession-proof industry, recognized as one of the top 10 career paths without a college degree, Appliance Factory is for you. Apply at ApplianceFactory.com.